Tashi Dekyi and welcome to In Conversation with Tibettv. I'm Palden Chudin, your host. Starting in October, the India Tibet Coordination Office, ITCO, which operates under the Department of Information and International Relations of the Central Tibetan Administration, launched a series of large-scale Tibet advocacy and awareness talks in Maharashtra, with events in cities such as Nagpur and Mumbai. The ITCO primarily focuses on strengthening India's support for Tibet's struggle for freedom, human rights, and the preservation of its unique cultural and religious heritage. This office plays a vital role in sustaining Tibet's movement for autonomy and cultural preservation in India, drawing on the deep-rooted historical and cultural ties between the two nations to build enduring support. To share more on ITCO's recent initiatives in Maharashtra and the current state of Tibet awareness in these cities, we are joined by Tashi Dekyi, the office coordinator. Welcome to our program, Tashi Dekyi.
Thank you so much for having me.
Can you brief us the program organized by the ITCO in their recent advocacy stint in Indian state of Maharashtra to cities like Nagpur and Mumbai?
Allow me to first give a brief about ITCO. So, India Tibet Coordination Office generally coordinates with all the Tibet support groups in India and act as a secretariat to the core group for Tibetan cause in India, which is the apex body of all the Tibet support groups in India. So, about the recent initiatives by the ITCO, which we conducted in Nagpur and Mumbai. So we, with the support of our co-convener, Shri Arvind Nikose, and our in Tibet supporter, Bala Sahab Rasteji, we have successfully conducted a Tibet support group meeting in Nagpur, and as well as we have participated in the Dsha Bomi, which is the 68th Dhammachakra Parivartan Divas in Nagpur city. So there are millions and lakhs of people gathered there and participated in Dsha Bomi, Dhammachakra Parivartan Divas. So where we have successfully create awareness program, for example, video presentation and free distribution of booklets and study materials about Tibet issue. So it was a great program and with support of all the Tibet support groups in Nagpur. Mm-hmm. And also, yes, and regarding Mumbai, so in Mumbai we have similarly in Nagpur we have also organized a Tibet support group meeting in Mumbai at the Mumbai Press Club, and also I had a great opportunity to speak on in this junior college plus Chhatrapati school in Jasoi Navi Mumbai school. We had a really successful Tibet awareness program there, where like around 70 students were participated in that Tibet awareness program, and also I had a great opportunity to also meet with the Tibet supporters. For example, Shri Santosh Garadji. So he is a General Secretary of Nationalist Congress Party in Mumbai, and also I had a very promising advocacy meeting with Shri Shashi Ranjan ji. He is a very renowned actor and a film producer, and also a television entrepreneur, and also a television producer in some part in the Sony TV Entertainment. So, and also like with the film, the Hindi cinema producer, Shri Satyam ji and his nephew, and I had a really promising Tibet advocacy meeting with them.
So, Tashi, can you tell us how often do you undertake such initiatives since becoming the coordinator of the office?
Yes, Pandela, I have joined this ITCO, India Tibet Coordination Office, in year 2022. So it's been almost like 2 years for me serving in ITCO, and annually, monthly, we can, in monthly, if I say, we always coordinate, sometimes initiated by us, ITCO, or sometimes in collaboration with the Tibet support groups all over India. for example, in Patna, if India Tibet Support Group, for example, ITFS, India Tibet Friendship Society, if they organize a seminar or like a panel discussion, we have to facilitate them with the speakers from our Central Tibetan Administration. So we, in collaboration also, sometimes ITCO solely organize seminars and panel discussions, sometimes awareness talk series in universities and colleges as well. So yeah, it's a jointly initiative. So monthly, if I give you data, yes, monthly, in collaboration with the Tibet support groups, it's like 10, 20, 30. And if ITCO solely organize seminars and conference, like 2 to 5 monthly.
And what have you noticed in these cities of support and knowledge on Tibetan issues by the local and number of youth you have interacted with the recent program, and what are the outcomes, would you say?
Yes, I would like to share a very good experience that I had in Nagpur during Diksha Bomi. So I have met, I've seen a great amount of interest and engagement from the adult, but from the youth, like especially the school-going children, kids, they have also shown a great amount of interest. And I was very fascinated by them because, and they also remember me when I was in Diksha Bhumi. So they remember because we always, ITCO, always continue to participate in the Diksha Bhumi. Last year also I went there to participate in the Diksha Bhumi. So so she remembers me, and she said she shown me a picture that we taken last year. So I have seen a great amount of interest in this youth, especially school-going kids, and I was very happy and touched by them. And they also asked me that please come every year, and also asked me to come with the more interesting study materials. So I was very much pleased and touched by them. So yeah.
Mm-hmm. So can you explain to us, to the our viewers, what is special about Diksha Bhumi, especially in Nagpur, right?
Yes. So Diksha Bhumi, it's a Diksha means wisdom, like Gyan. So Diksha Bhumi, it's a land. So Diksha Bhumi, it's a land where stupa is, you will see a stupa of Baba Ambedkar ji, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar ji, his relics is there. So it's very holy, it's considered very holy. It's like for the Buddhist in Maharashtra, for them, Diksha Bhumi, it's a pilgrim area. So every year they come. So this 2024 year, it's anniversary, 68th anniversary of Dhammachakra Parvartan Divas, because on 14th of October, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar ji converted himself into Buddhism, and also along with around 6 lakh followers, they converted themselves to Buddhism. So yeah, so it's a 68th anniversary Dhammachakra Parvartan Divas, where millions and lakhs of people gather there and participate. So they're like, we met so many people, from artists to lawyer to, because it's a cater to the masses, right? So we met so many people, and also kids, school goer, college goer. So yeah, it was a great opportunity to meet them and also advocate like at large. So yes.
Can you also tell us what are the people in during the Diksha Bhumi, where you have interacted with a lot of young people and general public over there? So what are they curious to learn about Tibet? Because I have come to learn that you have also screened documentaries from the Central Tibetan government and the photo exhibition, right? And book distribution as well. So what do they want to know more about Tibet, or are they interested at all?
Yes, exactly. They are very much interested. And this year, what we did differently was that we have combined a group of this one compilation of a video about regard Tibet, because we wanted to not only, okay, for example, last year we went there, we had a human to human interaction, right? But this time, this year, we did a video presentation where you see a compilation of videos on Tibet issues. And they're like, because it's a storytelling, it's very beautifully narrated. So then people were very much engaged. So this is what I saw in the public, that they were very engaged. They were not ready to move. They were just stuck there and then glued themselves with our stall, because we had booked one stall. So yeah, this is what the difference that I see, like I saw this year. So yeah, next year as well. So we are, yes, we are ready to come up with a more like interesting videos. Yes.
I would say you are a one-woman army in this initiative, but I'm sure you have a support from the Tibet Support Group, the convener in the state. So can you tell us more about them?
Yes, exactly. Yeah, as you have just said, one person can't do everything, right? So I have a very wonderful team with me, and also with the support of all the Tibet support groups and our core group members. So all, like, they are everywhere in India. So with the help of them, with the support of theirs, and also my like a wonderful team, so we were able to successfully conduct these seminars and conferences, and also interact to the masses, because we not only limit ourselves just have a seminars in college and universities. We also go to the Indian civil societies. We go there and create event. We can tell our story. We can conduct. We are not just limited to schools and colleges. We go to Indian civil societies, and also we are now. One thing I would like to share is. And upcoming future plans, if you may ask, we have just like the Diksha Bomi program, which is very successful. So similarly, we would like to conduct same like a Tibet awareness program upcoming Prayagraj Kumbh Mela. I hope you're aware of it. So it is the most celebrated Indian religious congregation happening after 12 years. So Prayagraj, previously known as Allahabad, is Kumbh Mela. So there, like millions and millions of people gather and participate in the Kumbh Mela. So it's very important. So that is in our pipeline.
Why do you think it's important for general Indian population to know about the Tibet issue in this country with your experiences so far in this field of work that you do?
Yes, thank you for that. Thank you for this question. It's a very important question, because me doing Tibet awareness program in India. So it is very important. This question, I'm thankful to this question. So as per my experience, the general Indian population in urban cities and towns, they know very little about Tibet issue, but they know a little bit more about His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama, the spiritual leader of Tibet. And I think it's very important for general Indian population to know about Tibet issue, because Tibet has been the neighboring country of India, from Arunachal, from northeast India, from Arunachal state to Ladakh. And since the Chinese Communist Party, CCP, occupied Tibet in 1959, India had faced a 1962 war and border incursions from Arunachal to Ladakh time to time. So, and also from national security point of view, the resolution of Tibet issue is very important for India. And secondly, Tibet is also known as the water tower of Asia, right? And the rivers, most of the rivers which originates from Tibetan glaciers to India. And today, due to Chinese illegal building of dams on rivers like Brahmaputra, it is likely to cause threat to Indian state like Arunachal, Assam, and also Bangladesh. So, so Tibetan plateau is environmentally and geopolitically very important for Indian Himalayas. So, and also I would like to add that historically, Tibet and India share a decade-long historical and cultural ties. So it's very important for a general Indian population to know about Tibet issue.
So, Tashi Dekyi, what are the states of awareness and Tibet support group among the Indian masses in state of Maharashtra, since Maharashtra is one of the largest Indian state and population-wise? And also, how do you think we can strengthen our approach and expect outcome in that regard?
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much for this very important question. So yeah, Mumbai and also Maharashtra being the largest state in India and Mumbai being the financial capital city of India, and the state of awareness in the Maharashtra, I won't say it's very little. Yeah, the people over there, they are pretty much aware of the Tibet issue because they do learn, because we do have a Tibet support groups there in Mumbai, and they do time to time conduct seminars and a meeting. So yes, the state of awareness is not less, not little. They're pretty much aware of the Tibet issue, but I do feel the need of to organize more seminars, more meetings over there, so that we can create that mass among the mass awareness among the general public. Then after that, we can. For example, just like I had this very wonderful, promising India Tibet advocacy with the Bollywood people over there. So them, for example, Salman Khan or Shah Rukh Khan, them having a very great strength of followers, the audience, mass audience. For example, even if they like tweet about our issue, it reaches to the masses. So yeah, but first we have to let our public over there, like Maharashtrian, we say, right, Mumbaikar. So let first have a basic knowledge or awareness about Tibet issue. So that's my more like that's my concern, and in my next and coming years and also coming months, we do have that in our pipeline to create more awareness among the masses. And also regarding coming to the other question is how Tibet advocacy can be effective is I think and I believe that Tibetans in the diaspora collectively and collaboratively, collaboration with the Tibet support groups in India, we all can do a lot about Tibet advocacy in India, because India having the largest population, so we do need Tibet supporters because we are very few in numbers. So them advocating Tibet supporters, them advocating about our Tibet issue to the general masses is very effective. So and also not putting our Tibetan movement in pause. So we have to consistently, continuously conduct seminars. Never let our movement in pause. I think this is very important.
Do you have any additional informations or thoughts that you'd like to share?
Yeah. Okay. So as I've mentioned before, we do have and so many projects regarding Tibet advocacy program, awareness program in coming months and also coming years. For example, in the Trans-Himalayan region, with the help of Tibet support groups, and also participate in the Prayagraj Kumbh Mela, and also create more awareness among the Indian societies, and schools and colleges, universities. It's there always. Yes.
It's so lovely having you on our program and talking to us about the initiatives of ITCO in the recent times, and keep doing what you're doing. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
With this, we have come to the end of today's program of In Conversation with Tibet TV. Thank you so much for watching.